Hey guys, welcome back to another day of It's a Bug's Life. Today we're finally going to tackle the driver's side heating element. The seat has never worked since we bought it. The passenger side works, so when we go out wheeling, Boo has a warm bum, but I don't. I have a freezing fanny. I have an Arctic ass, a biting bubble, a really cold rear end, a blustering booty, piercing posterior, frigid fanny, chilly cheeks. But anyway, so we're gonna tackle it today. We're gonna show you how we do it, and let's get started.
All right, so Bug is undoing the front seat. Let me see what you got going on in here, Buggy.
Just finishing up.
Let's see. So what size is that, hon, that you're using?
13 millimeter.
And there's two of them up front, right?
Yep, and they both done.
Perfect. All right, bubble. Okay, and this was at the back. Looks like the one on the, where the wrench is 13 still, right, Bug?
Yep.
And then we'll figure out what the other one, but that's the 4 bolts / nuts to take off, and then the seat will come out. All right, you ready? Up and out?
Up.
All right, watch your bubble. Okay. All right. There we be. All right. Okay, so let's take these off. That's plastic, so be really careful. Okay. All right.
Let me see that.
So Dan takes these things apart. You know what I mean?
Dan, we're not doing that.
I just wanted to make sure they weren't going, you know, not just pinch this way, but just going over something. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Let me see if I can find a long screwdriver.
And Boo's already gotten this one undone. This one down here.
Those are really tough to get to, right there. I got it.
Good job, babe. So these are what he was poking through.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, flip the seat over.
Okay.
And start seeing if we have enough to peel it. You know what I mean? Let's lift him up and then put him.
He's just on his. What are you doing?
We're gonna put him like this.
Okay. So we've got the seat cover pulled back as far as we can without having to take out these hog rings. And we don't have C-clip removers, and they're way down in here.
But I think we might have found the culprit right off the bat. So we're gonna peel these and see if they got continuity between the two of them, and we might be in luck.
Right?
Okay, so let me do this. I'm gonna have to clip these right here.
These guys are rusty.
There we go.
It's like surgery.
Oh, there it is. Run it all the way through it. See it? So you do have to separate the two of them.
Jeez, Manetti.
Yeah.
Crazy surgery on a seat.
Yeah, there's all your blue wires. See them?
I do, babe.
That's where you have the two pieces that come together and solder them together. And we're gonna have to strip these somehow.
Dang it.
I mean, we're just gonna have to. And I don't know how to do that properly. I mean, that is...
So tiny.
It really is. All right, let's trim off this blue plastic part. I mean, he's pretty good shape though, as far as
Condition of the wire?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks beautiful. We got this. We got this, Boo. Nicely done. Nicely done.
Okay, pull your part down. Watch your camera. if you hit your heated seat button and the high flashes intermittently, that means you have an open circuit. I think that's the most common one there is. And so that's what we did, is we went in, pulled it up, traced the wires in there. I mean, as you saw, cut it open, and you just got to find where you have the brake. And we repaired the brakes. We're gonna put our cushion back on, clip it underneath, and reinstall.
Yeah.
Continuity there.
That's a good sign.
We didn't have that before.
No, we didn't. Was it
Well, that might help.
That
right?
is helpful. That's a good sign.
Right.
All right. I'm up.
Okay.
I'm in.
Yep, good. We got it.
Okay.
We got it.
Awesome.
We got it. Yeah, let's put our side piece back on. So let's get those guys screwed in. That. So that screw. Okay.
Put those back together.
And tuck.
Nice and neat. And we got
There
the
you go.
plastic back on. Ready to put her back in. Well, this was a project that we procrastinated on, but it is done. Thank you, Boo, for all your hard work.
You're welcome, Bucky. How's your bubble gonna feel now?
So now I'm gonna have a heated hiney, cozy cushion, toasty tush, a boiling bubble,
I love that one.
a temperate tuchus, a frying fanny.
I love it.
Anyway, all right, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave any comments below, and we'll see you next time on another day of It's a Bug's Life. Can't wait to see it. Yeet, yeet, yeet.